I'm very passionate about the training committee, and mainly because I've got really great people on it, and I really want to champion all the hard work they've done. Because what you find is for a lot of volunteer activities, it's just simply the drive of the people who are doing it.
What I really enjoy about Ben as a leader is that he is so quick to express gratitude for your contributions, and he's so quick to make sure that you feel valued as part of the team, and he wants everyone to participate, mainly so that you feel engaged and invested in the team.
I think the amount of enthusiasm and effort he puts into the committee it blows my mind. I don't know how he does it all in one day.
We do the pro bono audits for the Cayman Islands Red Cross and the Chamber of Commerce. The Red Cross is dear to my heart. I did a lot of work for them in the UK, and when I came to Cayman, it just carried across. We had our 10-year anniversary of our firm that we wanted to note. We brought in a technology speaker. I found myself phoning all the schools, public and private, on Grand Cayman and the Cayman Brac, and basically inviting them to see Adam Chair, because I just thought this is an opportunity that these school kids wouldn't normally have. We volunteered to sell poppies for a day. Some of my rotations I did with my family, particularly for my kids. I want them to contribute to the community. I believe in we're here to look after each other, and I want them to learn that.
Without Ben, I wouldn't be here because before the financial crisis, he hired me, and then that kind of shows his character is that commitment that even though after it went down, he's still committed to me coming over and working for him.
I can't think of anyone more deserving of this award than Ben. He really does give his all. He's really passionate about the committee, about improving the profession. I wish him all the best. I hope he still stays on for many years to come.